afternoon, Atomians. So are you ready to learn today po? So mukhang mahina po. Ready na po ba tayo? So, hello Atomians. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, a big hello also to our Atomians in Baguio and in Cebu now watching live. And to everyone joining us on Facebook and YouTube, good day po sa ating lahat. Kumusta po kayong lahat? So again, are you ready to learn? So before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Sharon Rose Master, Darbal Karain Bergado Valle from Ariul 1, Mandaluyong, Adja Center. So I am very happy and grateful to be here with you again today. Lalo na po sa ating mga first-time guests. Kindly raise your hand po to our first-time guests. So let's clap our hands to them and welcome to Atomy. So thank you po for being here today. And I am so grateful po because our company is really amazing company. So let's focus now to study especially this product introduction. So let's make this day a meaningful one and let's make this day a valuable one. Let me ask you first before we start. So nakita niyo po itong picture po, nandito po sa aking right hand. Who are here enjoyed the holiday season? Taas po ang kamay. Wow! So, medyo kunti lang po. Hindi pa po ba kayo nag-enjoy? Mag-enjoy pa lang po ba? So, who enjoyed a lot of delicious food during holiday season? Di ba? Mostly, masasarap po ang pagkain. Kaya, especially sa mga sweets and heavy meals. Siyempre po, holiday season is time to celebrate. So, it means we have our family reunions, travel, parties, and of course, hindi po mawawala ang masasarap na pagkain. Pero aminin po natin na during holidays din, mas marami tayong nakakain na bawal. Alam niyo po yung mga bawal, yung masasarap. So, mas late din ang tulog natin kasi galing tayo sa mga parties and other celebration with our family. Mas kunti din yung ating exercise kasi nga, pagod tayo. So, minsan halos wala na ding pahinga. So, masaya po ang pagse-celebrate ng holidays, di ba? Pero nakakapagod din sa katawan. Because the holiday bring us joy, yes. But they also challenge our immune system and digestion. Tama po ba? Nacha-challenge po talaga yung ating health, di ba? And that's exactly why today, I want to share how we can enjoy celebrations while still taking care of our health. Gusto niyo po ba yon? Okay, so next. So after all the celebrations po, or kapag magse-celebrate pa po tayo, let me ask you again, who here madaling sipunin or magkasakit after holiday? Kasi nga humina yung immune system. Madalas po yan. Nagkakaroon ng flu or colds. Who feels laging pagod kahit sapat naman ng tulog? Kasi 'di ba over-fatigue po tayo, kaka-enjoy. So who experience also bloating? Yung talagang hindi natunawan dahil ang daming kinain. Constipation or minsan nagda-diarrhea. 'Di ba po na-experience natin 'yan kapag holiday season or may celebration po? And who feels mabigat at sluggish ang katawan kasi nga tumataba tayo kakakain kasi busog po tayo, di ba? Masasarap ang pagkain. So, and here are the most realization po dito sa picture na to. Ito po yung usually happens after the holiday. So, yung realization po dito, most of this problem don't really start outside. Saan po siya nag-start? Inside our body. It usually begins with two systems being affected. Ano po yung naapektuhan? Yung ating immune system and our gut and or digestive system po natin. And when these two po are not balanced, doon natin mararamdaman ng pagod. Ano pa po? Stress. Diba? sakit ng katawan or discomfort, hindi tayo komportable kasi nga may nararamdaman po tayo. And now, here's something very important to understand. Strong immunity actually starts in the gut. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon? Because our gut, our second brain po. Pag hindi po okay yung gut natin, hindi din po mag-work yung ating brain. Tama po? In fact, about 70% of our immune cells are found in the gut, in our gut. So when our digestion is not okay, our immunity also is affected. Tama po? And add to that, because of the stress, puyat. Sino po puyat dito? Isa na po ako doon. Because of hemuhim, so kakayanin ko po ngayon. And unhealthy food, dahil nga kaka-celebrate, okay lang po kasi minsan lang tayong kumain ng lechon. But when the gut is not healthy, the result, our immunity is weakened, di ba? Pero pag yung gut po natin is healthy, mas maganda po yung nutrient absorption po ng ating katawan and mas matibay po yung protection ng ating katawan kasi mas mataas po yung ating immunity. So especially after holidays, what we need is daily protection. So we are so thankful po. Yung pag-aaralan po natin ngayon na 2 product po ay makakatulong po yan to protect us po para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng iba't ibang sakit after holiday. So not just medicine na i-ready na natin after celebration. We have our amazing products here in Atomy. And that's exactly why today I will share the 2 products that are specially designed to support our immune system and our digestive health. These are the Atomy Hemohim. Ito po. Our Atomy Hemohim and Atomy Finezyme. These are perfect for post-holiday recovery. So makaka-recover po tayo pag meron po tayong product na Hemohim and Finezyme. A simple daily support for our body so we can enjoy life without compromising our health. Okay po ba sa inyo? So let's proceed po. Now let me briefly explain po. Especially to the first-time guests, concept behind the Atomy products. This concept is called, ano pong tawag dito po? Mastige. So what does mastige mean? Mass refers to everyday consumers, or people like you and me. So the mass refers to target consumers. Tayo po yon, tama? And the prestige word naman refers to high-quality products, usually found in luxury brands. So, nandito po yun sa Atomy. Mayaman po tayo kasi afford po natin ng bumili ng mga luxury brand products, which is Atomy. So, at Atomy, these 2 po, the Mass and Prestige, means delivering premium quality products at the price that is very affordable. Kaya tawag po dyan is mastige. Hindi po kailangan na mamahalin para maging high quality. Kasi sa Atomy po, high quality but affordable price, it means that's why Atomy follows one clear principle. Ano po yon? Absolute quality products with absolute price. So now, this is our website look like. Especially for our first-time guests, I'd like to invite you to visit our Atomy website. So please feel free to ask help from the person who invited you here to open your Atomy account if you already registered. Because once you already registered, you can access the website, the Atomy Global Shopping Mall. Not only in Philippines, but in 27 countries. So palakpakan po natin yan. We own a global shopping mall. So don't worry po sa mga first-timer, madaling gamitin po ang ating website. It's very user-friendly and easy to navigate even for beginners. So think of it. as your one-stop global shopping mall. So palakpakan po natin dyan. And speaking to that of the product, let's now move on or focus on the first one of most popular and flagship supplements for immunity here in Atomy. What is that? Hemuhim! Tama po. So what is Hemuhim and what does it do? Hemuhim is a dietary supplement po made from traditional herbs and designed to enhance immune function and boost energy, recognized for its natural health benefits rooted in Eastern medicine. So ang Atomy Hemuhim din po is really important for our immune balance solution. So our Atomy Hemuhim is developed by Kyrie. So back up po siya ng 8 years of research and innovation. So hindi po siya basta-basta. Mamaya po explain ko po yung development story of our Hemuhim. Our Hemuhim also is clinically studied po siya. Ano po siya? Funded po siya ng Korean government. So, tested to ensure safety and effectiveness po ng ating product. So, it helps in recovering from fatigue. Sino po yung over-fatigue sa kakatrabaho, sobrang sipag, and kaka-overthink po sa gagawin na over-fatigue. So, kailangan po natin itong product na to. So, it really helped to boost our energy and support our overall health. And what is immunity? So, pwede po natin basahin by ourselves. Immunity is the ability to recognize and resist viruses and bacteria when they enter the body. Its function is to stop harmful bacteria from entering our system. To stop, di ba? So in simple ways po, ang immunity po ay depensa ng ating katawan. Nakita niyo po yung shield, para po siyang shield na ating katawan. Kapag may pumasok po na virus or bacteria, mabilis niya po itong nire-recognize at nilalabanan. So kapag malakas po ang immunity natin, mas malakas din po yung ating pananggalang. So bihira po tayong magkasakit, tama po ba? Pag malakas po yung ating immune system, so importante po talagang suportahan natin ang ating immune system araw-araw. So ano po yung pinaka-importante? Ang uminom ng Hemuhim para may pananggalang po tayo. Kasi po yung next question here, how do health functional food boost our immune system? Which is, we have our best functional food, our Hemuhim, to boost our immune system. So, in simple words po, pinapalakas po ng ating functional food, which is Hemuhim, ang ating immune system para mas mabilis nila makilala kung alin ang kaaway ng ating katawan. Virus ba, bacteria, or kahit ano pang mga kaaway natin. So, sila po yung tumutulong para mas lumakas po yung ating katawan, yung ating shield ng ating katawan, para hindi po tayo madaling magkasakit. And then, next po, what is healthy immune system? So we are so lucky po because our Atomy Hemuhim have this NK cell vitality, enhanced cytokine production, and enhanced immunity and immunocyte vitality. Ibig sabihin po nito, it improves NK cell vitality. Ang ginagawa po nito to strengthen the body's first line of defense. Siya po yung unang panlaban ng katawan natin. So, against po sa mga viruses and abnormal cells through the enhanced cytokine production. Immune cells can communicate better kasi siya po yung signal transmission po. So, next po, to enhance naman our immunity cells, ito po ang nakakatulong din po para magkaroon ng overall defense na mas stronger pa po sa ating katawan. And lastly, by supporting immune vitality, ang ating immune cells nag-stay active po siya and energized. So hindi po siya madaling manghina because of that protection. Nakaprotect po sa ating body. Yan po ang meron sa ating Hemuhim. So kailangan po natin itong palakpakan. Kasi sobrang the best po talaga ang ating Atomy Hemohim, which is the result we can have a strong, balanced, and healthy immune system that's ready to protect our body every day. And again, why should we take Hemohim? Because Hemohim, again na naman po, helps awaken our exhausted immune cells. Kapag ang immune cells kasi natin ay napapagod dahil sa stress, puyat, or sa mga iba't ibang sakit, humihina din po yung ating immune system. So, Hemohim helps revive and support these cells, kaya mas naging alert at strong ulit ang depensa po ng ating katawan. So, awakened, exhausted immunocyte equals healthy immune system. Next po, this is the Hemohim development story. Now, let's take a look of this Atomy Hemohim story. So, for better explanation po, I can use this in Tagalog. Ang Hemohim po ay dinivelop po ni Kyrie. Ito po siya. The Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Ito po ay isang team of PhD po scientists sa Korea. So, ang history po nito ay nagsimula bilang South Korean government project. So, funded government project po ito itong Atomy Hemohim. Napansin po kasi ng mga scientists nila na maraming mga kapwa nilang scientists or even sila po na palaging exposed sila sa radiation kasi sa work po nila. So, kaya madalas bumaba po yung kanilang immune system at madalas po silang nagkakasakit. So, may problema po na kailangang solusyonan. So, dahil dito, gumawa po ng aksyon ang Korean government at nag-launch ng isang research project para makadevelop ng product na makakatulong sa immune recovery and immune balance. So, 8 years po itong inaral at dinevelop. Diba? Amazing po. 8 years, hindi po siya basta-basta. At isa din po itong government-funded project. Hindi lang basta commercial product. And after successful development, nakipag-joint venture naman ang Kyrie sa Coolmar B&H Co. Limited po. So, sila po yung manufacturer, yung sa production process po. Sila po yung gumagawa ng ating Hemohim and ating Atomy products. Ang Hemohim din po ay dumaan at pumasa sa evaluation ng MFDS. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Ministry of Food and Drug Safety ng Korea. Kaya siguradong safe po ito ating product, tested po ito, at reliable po sa ating lahat. Dahil sa maganda nga ang effect ng ating Atomy Hemohim at consistent yung magandang resulta, kailangan nila itong ilabas sa market para ibenta, tama po? So, ang Atomy po ang napiling company po. So, palakpakan po natin para magbenta or mag-distribute worldwide. So, kaya po siya nakarating dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So, kaya ang Hemohim ay product ng science plus government research na may solid credibility at may proven immune support benefits. And now, let's look at what makes Hemohim so special. So, ngayon po, di ba, alam nyo na yung story. So, meron pa po yung story because of gusto po nilang mag-treat ng cancer patient kasi kinikemo nga po yung mga cancer patient. So, kailangan po panlaban din po sa radiation. So, next po, kaya po napaka-amazing po ng ating Atomy Hemohim because of these 3 main ingredients or herbs po na meron, the Angelica gigas, Lingusticum sinense, and our Punea lactiflora. So, Hemohim also is a substance with special immune function. Special po ito hindi po ito basta-basta. So, has been developed through biological engineering and radiation technology. So, what's so amazing that these herbs po, nag-work together po siya to support, again, our immune system. Naturally, helping us healthy, especially after the holiday season. So, before we talk about who can benefit, let's see why people really love Hemuhim. O bakit po ba natin mahal po or minahal ang pag-take ng Atomy Hemuhim? Simple as this, because when we already take, sino po dito yung nag-join po ng 3 months Hemuhim Challenge? O diba? Sobrang dami po na. Isa po ako doon, complete po ako in 3 months. So, sobrang thankful po ako kasi it's really support my immune system and protect my body naturally. So, lagi po tayong energized, kaya lagi po tayong energetic pagdating dito sa seminar. Bago pa magsimula, di ba? Bago pa tumayo si Ma'am Arlene, napakagulo po natin kasi sobrang energetic po nating lahat because of our Hemuhim. So, kailangan po natin na ituloy-tuloy lang po yung pag-take na ating Hemuhim. And recommended po ito for everyone. Perfect po ito for everyone. So, especially po sa mga athletes. Bakit po? Kasi yung mga athletes, lagi silang nagpapawis po. So, better po to take Hemuhim para mabilis po yung pag-recover after training. And training nila, competitions, at maging strong ulit ang kanilang katawan. And second is, homemakers, yung mga dakilang ina po na nag-aasikaso sa bahay. So, isa po ako doon. So, kailangan po natin mag-take ng Hemuhim to boost our energy para kayanin po natin yung busy routine natin everyday para sa ating pamilya. And next po, sa mga employees, sino po yung dito yung mga nagtatrabaho? Taas po ang kamay. So, wala pong nagtatrabaho, nag-Atomy po lahat. Wow, congratulations! Ang galing! So, ayun po, kung ikaw po ay nagtatrabaho sa Atomy, kailangan po nating uminom ng Hemuhim kasi pumupunta po tayo sa mga partners natin to guide them, to support them, to help them. Diba? Para lumaki po yung ating team. So, we need also Hemuhim. Bakit po? Para mas madali tayong sumigla at para mabilis pong mawala yung stress natin. Di ba po? Kasi po, marami pong mga stressors sa paligid, environmental po yan. So para makapag-work din tayo ng productive po in the whole day. And next, students, para makapag-focus po sila sa kanang studies at para hindi po sila madaling magkasakit. And our seniors na sobrang energetic pa rin at hindi halatang seniors pag nag-take ng Hemuhim. Tama po ba? Sino po dito yung mga... Ay, wag na lang po. Kasi hindi po halatang seniors kayo. Pero be proud po that you are taking Hemuhim kasi nakilala nyo po ang Hemuhim sa senior times nyo po. So, ayun po, palakpakan po ulit natin ng ating Hemuhim. And how to take Hemuhim po? So it's up to you po, but this one po, it's really simple, just to take once a shake, 2 times a day, either before or after lunch, or after meals, lunch or morning. It's up to you po, but for me po, empty stomach in the morning, and then sa gabi po, before I'm going to sleep po, para mas mahimbing at makapag-recover po yung aking katawan habang natutulog. So, maganda din po itong ating Hemuhim kasi easy to bring din yung sachet natin, di ba? Lalagay lang natin sa bulsa para hindi natin makalimutan. Even when we are traveling anywhere. So by making a daily habit, we can support our immune system and stay strong, healthy every day. Now that we know already our Hemuhim supports our immune system, let's talk another Atomy supplements. Ano po yon? To support our digestive system. Our Atomy Finezyme. So our Atomy Finezyme po helps to boost nutrient absorb and digestion. So this product po is perfect for anyone. So for everyone, kasi kumakain naman tayo. Looking to improve digestion, yung mga hindi madaling matunawan, lalo na pag unhealthy food, processed food po yung kinain natin. Talagang mabigat po talaga siya sa tummy. Naramdaman niyo po yon? Yung uncomfortable po kayo kasi po, hindi po kayo natunawan din. Antok na po kayo dahil busog kayo. Diba? So ito po ang ating Atomy Finezyme. It really will help us po para mas lighter po yung pakiramdam natin. So makakatulong po sa ating digestive health. So, before we talk about our Atomy Finezyme, let me first explain what an enzyme in a very simple way. So, what is enzyme po? Enzyme are protein in our body that act like helpers or workers. So, ang enzyme po, they help our body perform important chemical reaction. So, yan po yung tumutulong po para po makapag-digest po tayo, makapag-breakdown po ng mga kinakain natin. And then, so everything para po makapag-function po properly, kailangan po ng enzyme sa katawan. Kasi po, without enzymes, many processes in our body would be slow or not work at all. Kaya po, pag kulang po talaga or wala tayong tinitake na enzyme, mahirapan po talaga tayong mag-digest ng mga kinain natin. Kaya po meron po chemical reaction, mediation, active metabolism, digestion improvement na tinatawag po dito to help us po digest or break down lahat po ng mga kinakain natin easily. So, meron din pong digestive enzyme po dito, yung nakalagay po dito. It has, ito po yung process and flow niya, nutritional decompose, digestion, absorption, and emission. So next slide po is the product information. So makikita nyo po dito, meron po tayong 60 sachet in one box. Sino na po ang nakapag-order po sa ating Atomy website? Ayun, thank you so much, ma'am. Napaka-affordable po nito. Alam niyo po ba magkano lang isang sachet para gumaan po yung pakiramdam natin after po natin kumain? Sino po ang makakahula? May hemuhina. So, magkano po? 13 pesos lang po. So, di ba? Kailangan po natin to. Huwag po natin kalimutan kasi ito po talaga yung makakatulong sa atin this holiday season. So, next. Simple. Let me briefly explain po why Atomy Finezyme is really amazing for our digestion and energy. Kasi meron po tayong product features na nilalaman dito. Para po pag tinanong po tayo ng ating mga consumers or prospect po na may mga problem po sa digestion or digestive health, pwede po nating explain sa kanila itong main ingredients na meron sa Atomy. First is, we have 3 important vitamins in our Finezyme. Ano po yun? The vitamin, ito po, B1, pantothenic acid, and biotin. So yan po ay tumutulong para makapag-help po, makapag-convert ng food into energy. O, di ba po? So, para hindi po tayo ma-feel na mabigat po or tired yung ating katawan. Kaya kailangan po ng vitamin B1 at yung 3 vitamins po na yan. Second po, it has 6 kinds of digestive enzymes. Mamaya po explain ko po yung 6 kinds of digestive enzymes. Third, Finezyme contains 30% freeze-dried pineapple powder. No need na po na pumunta tayo ng palengke, pero pwede naman po para bumili lang po ng fresh fruit, which is good naman po, but in our Finezyme po, meron po siyang 30% freeze-dried pineapple powder. So, nakaka-support din yan sa ating digestion. And fourth, it contains bromelain, a pineapple-derived enzyme also that helps with protein digestion and gut comfort. And lastly, it has dietary fiber like maltodextrin and polydextrose, which helps support regular bowel movement and gut health. Yung mga mahirap pong dumumi, yung constipated po. So, pwede po nating i-share ang ating Atomy Finezyme sa kanila para hindi po sila mahirapan. Kasi sobrang hirap po ng constipated po talaga, mabigat sa pakiramdam, uncomfortable po tayo whole day. So, there is an answer po sa lahat po ng problema natin sa health. We have backup po. We have our Atomy food supplements, which is especially our Hemuhim today and our Atomy Finezyme. So, next po, yung main ingredients nga po. Ang ating pong Atomy Finezyme is a refreshing pineapple flavored health supplement that contains three essential vitamins involved in energy metabolism. So, first po, yung sinasabi ko sa vitamin B1, sabi ko po na essential po siya for carbohydrates metabolism to help turn our food naturally po, to dissolve our food, turn our food, what we eat, into energy. So, second po, pantothenic acid, again, nakakasupport din po siya sa ating metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and protein, and helping our body use nutrients efficiency. And third, biotin naman po. Pero po ito pong lahat ng vitamins natin, nakikita din po siya sa pork, nakukuha po siya sa sunflower, grains, meat, egg yolk, mushroom, meat, fish, and poultry. But lahat po na yan is nasa ating Atomy Fine Zyme. So these three vitamins help support better energy po sa ating body and for better digestion para sa ating overall health. Ito naman po yung supplementary ingredients ng ating Atomy Fine Zyme. We have 6 digestive enzymes. So hindi ko na po isa-isahin, but all of this enzyme po, may function po siya sa ating katawan, which is it can break down our carbohydrates, protein, fats, fiber, and lactose. So digestion becomes smoother in our body. Nutrients absorption also improves and bloating is reduced. So our Atomy Fine Zyme helps us, our stomach work smarter, not harder. Kasi di ba po, pag masakit po yung ating tiyan, nai-stress din po ang ating brain. So, pag hindi po okay yung ating gut, hindi po tayo makakapag-work well dito sa Atomy. So, let's stay healthy po with our Atomy food supplement. So, another one po, last one po na napaka-importante po na kailangan ko pong i-share sa inyo kasi ito po yung tinatawag na coenzyme to increase enzyme activity. Hindi lang pala enzyme ang meron. Meron pang tinatawag na coenzyme at pag pinagsama po natin sila, ano po ang tawag? Holoenzyme. Ano po yung holoenzyme? Ang holoenzyme po, yan po, pag pinagsama yung dalawa, making them more effective. O diba, mas effective po to support our digestive health. So palakpakan po natin yan. Very amazing po ang ating Atomy enzyme. So recommended po ito to everyone, young or old, busy or under stress again. Atomy Fine Zyme is a must for everyone who wants to be healthier. Sino po yung gustong maging healthier pa? Healthy na, mas gusto pa natin maging healthier, tama? More energetic, atom yan. Sino po? Yes, sa mga team maganda at masayahin na more energetic and happier. Remember, happy gut, we can have a happy life. Tama po yun. Let's take note of this po. Pwede po nating i-return of investment po. Happy gut, happy life. So remember po natin yun. Take care of our digestion and our body and mind will thank us too. So start your day with daily health routine. Try our Atomy Hemohim and Fine Zyme and feel difference in your energy, immunity, and overall well-being. So you can ask the person who invited you, mga first-time guests po, to know how to purchase po our Atomy food supplement. Because remember, enjoy the holiday fully, strong, healthy, and worry-free. So, as we wrap up po, so last slide na po ito. Ito po yung pinaka-importante po sa lahat. Always remember, health is the best gift we can give ourselves and our family. Ano po yung kailangan natin gawin? Let's make it a priority every day with our Hemohim and our Fine Zyme. So, thank you so much po. Have a meaningful and blessed holiday, everyone. And advance Happy New Year! Again, I am Shari Rose Master, Darbal Karen Vergado Valle from Mariul 1 Mandaluyong Aja Center.